Corrective and preventive action is not supposed to be a paperwork exercise. CAPA is the system that proves your company can recognize failure, understand root cause, protect patients, and prevent the same problem from happening again. When CAPA is treated like documentation cleanup, the same issues keep returning. When CAPA is done correctly, it becomes one of the strongest signals that your quality system is actually working. The first mistake companies make is confusing the symptom with the root cause. A complaint says the device leaked, a test failed, a unit shut down, a sterile barrier broke. A supplier delivered inconsistent parts. Those are not root causes, those are signals. The real question is why the failure happened, why the process allowed it to happen, why inspection did not catch it, and whether the same weakness exists anywhere else in the product line. Good root cause analysis goes deeper than the obvious answer. If an adhesive bond failed, was the issue surface preparation, cure time, humidity, operator technique, fixture alignment, material lot variability, or an uncontrolled supplier change? If a pump drifted out of accuracy, was the issue component wear, software compensation, calibration interval, sensor aging, or use conditions that were never fully tested? If users keep making the same mistake, is the problem training, labeling, interface design, workflow complexity, or a use-related hazard that should have been designed out earlier? A strong CAPA connects directly to risk management. If the failure can affect safety, performance, sterility, usability, or compliance, then the risk file must be reviewed. Severity, probability, detectability, residual risk, and existing controls may all need to be updated. A CAPA that never touches the risk file is often incomplete, because the device has just taught you something important about real-world performance. Effectiveness checks matter just as much as the correction itself. Rewriting a procedure does not prove the problem is fixed. Retraining operators does not prove the process is stable. Changing a supplier does not prove the new process is capable. You need objective evidence. That may mean repeat testing, process capability data, complaint trend monitoring, inspection results, audit findings, service data, usability confirmation, or verification that the updated control actually prevents recurrence. CAPA also requires discipline around scope. One failed part may reveal a wider design issue. One complaint may expose a labeling gap. One manufacturing escape may point to an inspection weakness across multiple products. One supplier deviation may require review of related components, similar processes, and historical lots. The goal is not to close the CAPA quickly. The goal is to make sure the problem is truly understood and contained. When CAPA is weak, problems repeat, complaints increase, audits become painful, warning letters become possible, customers lose confidence, and engineering teams waste time reacting to the same failure again and again. But when CAPA is strong, every issue becomes a source of learning. The product improves, the process improves, the documentation improves, and the quality system becomes more credible. At Concise Engineering, we help teams turn CAPA from a reactive burden into a practical engineering tool. We connect complaints, failures, root cause analysis, risk management, supplier controls, verification, and effectiveness checks into one clear improvement loop. If your device is showing you a problem, let's make sure the solution goes deeper than the paperwork.